fun size review. It is 10:29 a.m. and I just went through Culver's drive-thru and got the salted caramel pumpkin concrete mixer because nothing tops off a great workout like some good post-workout nutrition. So here we go. I've been hearing a lot of chatter about this. People say it's great, so let's find out. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh. Fuck yeah. You know, texturally, I wish there was some graham cracker in here, but, you know, I really like it. They definitely use real pumpkin. And the caramel's popping. This is pretty damn good. Not the best pumpkin ice cream thing I've had this season, but definitely worth a shot. 8 Yasses out of 10.